Hello there. Welcome to another WMS tutorial. In this video, we will look at how to change the LunaStat thermostat into its non-programmable manual mode. Let's take a look at how this is done. Your thermostat comes programmed with a weekly schedule. This is indicated by the day of the week and the time being shown on the home screen. To remove the schedule and set the thermostat to its non-programmable mode, you first need to power it off by pressing and holding the power button. The screen will go blank. We then press and hold the menu button to access the setup menu. Press the OK button and keep pressing it until the small number says 05. The large number will show 01, indicating the thermostat is currently in weekly schedule mode. Press the down arrow once to set this to 00 and then press the power button twice. This has now set the thermostat to non-programmable manual mode, indicated by the day of the week and the time no longer being visible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials and other videos on our website or YouTube channel. Bye for now.